Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself Vintage Camper Rescue. Today I'm going to talk about doing wheel bearings. Probably the most critical aspect of maintenance you could do. It's not that hard to do. If you got any kind of mechanical skills at all, you can easily do it. So I'm just going to walk you through a few steps. I already got the wheel off. We'll come in here and we'll take a look just what it entails. So under behind the cap here is going to be your wheel bearing is going to be behind there. So you're going to have to take, it's called a dust cap, and you have to take that off. And they can be kind of a little bit of a pain. I usually just take a screwdriver, get them started. And you got to be careful you don't bend the heck out of them because they can bend pretty easy. You just go in a little ways because after you get it out, you're going to see there's a little lip there. You don't want to put the screwdriver through that. So I just go a little ways at a time, and then I'm forcing it out, trying to bend it back. And you can see I can't get in my shop, so I got to work on this trail. I can't get in the shop; it's too tall. So I got to work on gravel. Notice I got cardboard down and stuff. We're gonna try and not get anything into the stones, or that can be the worst part. Getting any dirt in there, you got to then you make sure you got clean. But you just got to keep going, turning a little bit, and get a little bit of time. And she'll pop off. So inside here, you'll see there's a little clip. Once we get it out, you'll be able to see, but they're bent over. So you got to straighten these called a cotter. You got to straighten those ends out, and it just pulls out. And then this big nut usually is pretty loose. With the grease, they don't get too tight, but so you spin that off. Make sure you put it so it's not in the dirt, and just wiggle it. Then you're gonna see this is the outer bearing, but there's also this washer that holds it on. And you'll see after a while when we put it back together, it's gonna be hard without being cleaned up. But there's this little notch there. When you put it back together, it's gonna have to go into the notch in the axle, so it'd go like that when you put it back on. And that goes on the outside, holding the bearing in. So I'm just gonna put that there. I'm gonna pull this off, and then we can go in the shop and we're gonna clean her up and repack the bearings.